Big news for Galaxy Watch Ultra users in the US, your smartwatch is about to get a major upgrade. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8 watch update for Galaxy Watch Ultra in the US. This massive software update is nearly 2 gigabytes in size and comes with some great new features, although the security patch is slightly older. If you own the original Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can spot this new update through the PDA build version L705 USQ1BYFE. It's a big leap forward, bringing a fresh UI design and advanced health tracking features. Midway through the update, get ready. This version is packed with useful tools like the Antioxidant Index and Running Coach. As per user feedback, the update is currently rolling out to AT&T and T-Mobile devices. Once Samsung confirms the update is stable, they'll expand the rollout to more carriers across the US. To get the update, open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to Watch Settings, tap Watch Software Update, and hit Download and Install. If you're planning to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 7, make sure to use the exclusive links below made just for Cybotech viewers to grab some awesome perks. You'll get free $50 Samsung credit just by clicking the link, plus up to $150 storage upgrade credit, which means you can either double your storage for free or get a big discount on the 1TB model. On top of that, get up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for your old Samsung phone and 30% off Galaxy watches and buds. These are limited-time offers, so don't miss out. Good news for Samsung fans. Samsung has already started rolling out the first software update for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, even though the phones officially launch on July 25 with One UI 8. The July 2025 security patch is ready from day one. That means when you unbox your device after delivery around July 25, the update will be available instantly. The new OTA can be identified by a PDA build ending in AOIG 5. This same update is also reaching other Galaxy phones, but now the Fold 7 and Flip 7 are part of that rollout as well. One UI 8 based on Android 16 refines the user experience over One UI 7. Though the visual changes are small, they greatly improve multitasking and daily usability, especially on foldables. Seamless updates make the update process much faster. Instead of waiting at a boot screen, the phone installs the update in the background and reboots quickly. With the launch happening July 25, Samsung is ensuring early buyers get the best experience out of the box, thanks to One UI 8 and its first OTA update already in place. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.